Thanks for tuning in, and welcome back to another Saturday morning stretch. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning how to effectively stretch your muscles, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the stretch.
The stretch we will be demonstrating for you today will be the myofascial stretch for the teres minor. Start by placing a mat on the floor and lay down next to it in prone position by lying on your stomach. Extend each leg and dorsiflex both ankles. With the arm of the side that you are stretching, abduct your shoulder to 90 degrees with your palm facing the ceiling. Flex your elbow to 90 degrees so that your wrist is resting on the mat. Maximally flex your wrist by pointing your fingers toward the sky as high as you can. Decoapt your humerus and frontalize or protract your scapula by pushing your elbow out and away from your body. Push your glenohumeral joint caudally by depressing your scapula as though you are trying to tuck your scapula into your back pockets. Raise your contralateral elbow up to lift your shoulder and frontalize the contralateral scapula. Achieve as much axial extension as possible by tucking in your chin and pushing the crown of your head away from your body. Next, homolaterally flex your neck by side bending your head away from the side that is being stretched. Homolaterally rotate your neck by turning your head away from the side that is being stretched. Finally, internally rotate your shoulder by trying to raise your hand off the mat as high as you can while trying to keep your elbow pinned to the floor. Once you are in this final position, hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute without losing any of the above-mentioned components before switching sides. If the stretch begins to feel easy, you've most likely lost one or more of the components of the stretch. When you first perform this stretch, do it in front of a mirror or film yourself performing the stretch so you can watch yourself back and make any corrections if needed. Perform 3 sets of the stretch on each side.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.